Alright. Go for it.
Jeez.
Open them up.
Open.
Okay.
Then I'll tape it up pretty good. Sand tape it up pretty good.
And then let's take this.
First thing you do is blow it.
So look at it already. Oh, thanks. Go ahead and rip the paper up. You don't have to take the sticker off.
Oh.
It's obviously from Santa.
Nice rebound.
That's
Rip it open.
and it's Christmas.
It is Christmas. It's very early on Christmas.
Look, I see something in here.
What is it?
Oh. What is that?
Yeah, it's the e-reader Toy Story book.
Wow.
Cool, huh?
There must be a gift that goes with that in there.
Right here.
What is it?
This is
Dinosaur Leapfrog.
prehistoric dinosaur.
Prehistoric.
Here, sit over here. Go keep opening up all those gifts.
Dad, you gotta be on Paper Patrol. Smile. Not you, Goober. What's next? Which one's next?
That.
Okay, go for it.
Okay. Santa eat them all.
Did he?
Yeah.
He ate the cookies?
Yeah.
What? Was the bite missing from the cookies?
No. Santa did.
Oh, he did, didn't he?
I think I got the other present.
Go for it, buddy.
I'm opening Mommy's present.
No, that's from Santa.
That's Santa's porcupine.
You like the little wrapping paper?
Yeah.
It's got a Santa porcupine.
Right here. Come on, keep going.
Okay. And there will be a package.
There's a package. Oh, I don't know what's in here.
Let's do the package.
Now you guys open up the rest of the way.
You're so nice and tidy this morning.
Yeah.
Hey, open it up.
Okay.
What's in there? Be careful. You never know.
It's Stegosaurus.
It's a piggy bank.
It's a baby Stegosaurus.
Yeah.
Okay, you could put money in there and save it. It's a piggy bank.
Isn't that cool?
There's no money in it yet.
Stegosaurus.
Alright, give Daddy all that paper.
And we need another one.
Okay. Is that the next one? Give Daddy the paper.
In that trash.
It's paper. It's wrap.
Wrapping paper, yep.
Paper.
Good job.
Gifts.
Hurry.
What is that?
Peppa Pig.
Yeah.
Peppa Pig action figure set.
Cool.
This is Smiley Pig, George, Peppa, and Daddy.
Daddy Pig. Daddy Pig.
That's right.
You like it?
Yeah.
Santa did good. Alright, keep going. You got so much stuff.
Yeah. I do. And because there's toys inside that. And a little EA. Double guppies. Big frog.
A Bubble Guppy's leapfrog. Neato.
Wait do you see how this works? Wait do you see how this works? You'll be so excited.
Yeah. Open it.
Open it up.
Okay. In the back.
Uh-huh. Dorothy's very excited about being up this early.
Help me.
I guess you don't want the present that bad.
He does. He's just...
I do. I do though.
Santa wrapped these really good. What? Is there another leapfrog book? Holy cow.
Yeah. Look.
Look how many you got. You got 4 so far.
Is that Scout?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you like Scout, huh?
Yeah. And Penny.
And Penny, yep. Keep going, keep going, keep going!
You open it.
I'm going to go potty first.
Okay, potty break.